Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the contour in a picture in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a picture that has a face, press on face down below and press on contour. And you can edit the jawline here, swipe to the left or to the right, and you can make the jawline um, wider, or you can make it um, less wide, as you can see if you swipe to the left. You can also manage the chin, same thing here. You can see the difference if I do this. And if you have the premium version of the app, you can also edit the cheek and the forehead as well. And like I said, if you have the premium subscription, you can edit those and you will be able to save those edits as well. After that, you can just leave and you can see that there is a save option here, and you can save any changes that you have made. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.